Okay, so here we are, 1 year in, and we've done 12,270 miles. Okay, so it's about 8:30 on a lovely, rainy Thursday morning, and we're off to Bristol Street Motors over in Darlington to go and hopefully get the Rapidgate fix. Now, rather worryingly, I did get a phone call from the dealership last night saying, yeah, so we know we're bringing your car in tomorrow, we don't know why you're bringing it in. So, that's been very confidence inspiring. Hopefully when I get there, they'll know what's going on. If not, I'm armed with knowledge to hopefully push them in the right direction. Right, so yeah, let's head over there and see what we can get sorted. Okay, so here I am back in the courtesy Pulsar loaner. So I've handed over the Leaf. On the advice of Lemon Tea Leaf, I've asked for a printout from the Consult 3 laptop to ensure that the software upgrade really has happened. I'll do a scan on Leaf Spy once I get the car back. They said they don't know how long it takes, so it's the first one they've done at that particular dealership. So they've said they'll ring me when it's done, and we'll just have to sort of play it by ear. So hopefully later on today we'll go pick it up and we'll see if the update has been successful. Right, see you in a bit. Okay, so I've picked the Leaf up. I've driven quite a bit to get the battery down. It was at about 40%. I've taken quite a few kind of longer roads at about 70. We've got it down to 9%. Just ticked over the first low battery warning. Got the yellow warning triangle up on the screen. The battery temperature is 1 notch below the center, and if you actually look on Leaf Spy, it says we're at 20.1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in and we'll see what kind of charge rates we get. I would imagine 20.1, I'm probably not going to see anything too slow. So what I'll do is partway through the charge, I'll unplug and I'll plug in again and see what kind of speeds we get. Okay, right, let's get charging. Right, okay, so it looks like we're charging. It does look like Instavolt have ended their promotional period, so I will be charged, I will be billed for this charge, but that's totally reasonable. Their pricing isn't that high. It's 35 pence per kilowatt hour on the Instavolt chargers, which is, it's higher than Ecotricity, but it's not too bad really for rapid charging. It could be a lot worse. You know, it's not like 50p per kilowatt hour like I believe Shell are planning to charge. Right, so I'm going to eat some food and we'll keep an eye on the charge. Before I do, however, let's turn the car on and see what kind of charge rates we get before I forget. Right, so Leaf Spy says we're pulling 41.5 kilowatts. The car itself says 42 kilowatts, and we've got like 10%. So I'll just flip the camera around so you can have a look. Okay, yeah, so that's what we're seeing on the car. Right, so yeah, I'm going to let this charge for a little bit and we'll see how we get on. Okay, so quick update. We just passed 26% and we're charging at 44 kilowatts. According to the Leaf Spy, that is 44.5 kilowatts roughly. I expect to see that peak once we hit somewhere around the 50% mark. So I'm thinking we might see above 45. I think the highest I've ever seen is 46, so I'd be interested to see if it goes higher than that. Okay, so we're at 50% and it looks like we're peaking at around 45 kilowatts. I saw it on Leaf Spy, it went up to 45,300. It seems to be starting to taper off now. Right, so yeah, there we go, that's dropped back to 44. So I think that's about the fastest speed we're going to get today. I'm going to let this go to maybe 65%, then I'll unplug and replug. Hopefully that will get our battery temperature up enough. At the moment we're on 35.6, which if we look on the dashboard, oops, it's on the right screen already. There you go, so we're somewhere in that kind of big halfway region, but yeah, obviously Leaf Spy gets us a clearer reading on that. Right, so yeah, we'll come back at about 65%. Okay, so we're at 64%. We're pulling 32.7 kilowatts according to Leaf Spy. So I'm going to unplug here and plug back in, and we'll see what charge speeds we get. Now, bear in mind, we're already tapering. When we started this, we had, what, 42% that we were pulling? So we've lost 10 kilowatts already just because we're getting towards the top of the battery. So this isn't an entirely fair test, but nonetheless, we'll see what kind of difference it makes. Just reference, we're at 38.5 degrees in the battery. And now it's 31 at 65. So yeah, I'll unplug, plug back in, and we'll see what we get. Right, okay, so we've plugged back in and somehow we're actually charging faster than we were before. We're now putting 36 kilowatts. Well, that's definitely unexpected. Okay, it is falling slowly now. But if we have a look at the temperatures there, 38.4, putting 34.3 kilowatts. So I was fully expecting that to go down. That's yeah, that's caught me off guard a little bit. I imagine it'll probably settle back to 31 in a second, seeing as it's lost a couple of kilowatts already. I keep an eye on it and I'll report back around the 70 mark. As expected, that jump didn't last that long, but by unplugging and replugging, we've not really slowed down at all. It's, yeah, 27 kilowatts is probably where we would have continued dropping to before anyway, even though the temperature of the battery is now 39 degrees according to Leaf Spy. And yeah, we're still pulling 27 kilowatts. That's a huge jump. Obviously, I think if we were closer to 50%, I think we'd probably still be getting maybe 35, 40 at this point. So this is a huge jump. Obviously, lots more testing to do. But yeah, we'll have to keep an eye on it in future videos. Right, so I'm going to wrap up here and I think I'm going to head home. Yeah, I think all in all, a successful update. It looks like, at least from this initial test, it makes a difference. Obviously, keep an eye on videos from other people who have done tests. Tesla Bjorn has posted a video. Electric Swede has posted a video. I believe Lemon Tea Leaf has or is posting a video. It'll probably be out by the time this one's up. So yeah, it looks like the issue is significantly improved. But that's just, you know, initial response. I guess, you know, more testing is definitely necessary. So I'll keep posting videos, and now I'll keep posting the Leaf Spy information as well, just to get more information than I did in previous videos. But yeah, first impressions are definitely good. Okay, right, so I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you like this video, hit that like button, please. If you didn't like it, the other button does something, I don't know. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.